The action camera world has been buzzing with speculation, and for good reason. For years, enthusiasts have grown accustomed to a predictable rhythm from GoPro, almost like clockwork, where every September brought a fresh flagship to dissect and debate. But when 2025 slipped by without a new Hero release, the silence was loud. Instead of the usual incremental refresh, the company seemed to step back, and that pause instantly sparked curiosity. People wondered whether something had gone wrong, or whether something far bigger was quietly taking shape behind the scenes. Now, with new developments finally emerging, it's starting to look like that gap wasn't hesitation at all, but rather a deliberate move to prepare for a leap forward that could redefine what an action camera is capable of movie camera. While the flagship line took a break, GoPro didn't disappear. The brand experimented in different directions, expanding its ecosystem rather than rushing another small update. We saw a new generation of 360 capture hardware, compact lifestyle-focused cameras, and even accessories that leaned into AI-assisted shooting. These releases hinted that GoPro was testing ideas, building tools, and broadening its portfolio while holding back its biggest announcement. That strategy now makes sense, because the centerpiece of this new chapter appears to be a completely redesigned processor intended to push imaging performance to a new level. Instead of just improving stabilization or adding a minor resolution bump, the focus shifted toward rethinking the computational foundation that powers everything inside the camera. The new chip at the heart of the upcoming lineup represents a major technical shift. Built on a modern manufacturing process, it reportedly doubles the pixel handling capability compared to its predecessor. But raw processing speed is only part of the story. The inclusion of a dedicated neural processing unit means the camera can interpret scenes in real time, dynamically adjusting exposure, noise reduction, and color response. This kind of intelligence opens the door to better low-light performance, improved dynamic range, and more efficient thermal management. For users who frequently push their cameras to the limit, especially when recording high-resolution or high-frame-rate footage, overheating has long been a pain point. If these improvements deliver as expected, extended recording sessions without interruptions could finally become the norm fire. What truly stirred excitement, however, was the teaser footage released in mid-March 2026. Instead of the typical ultra-wide, hyper-sharp action clips we've come to associate with GoPro, the visuals leaned towards something far more cinematic. Close-up shots displayed crisp detail with soft, natural background blur, creating a depth of field effect rarely seen in small action cameras. Scenes captured in dim lighting looked clean and balanced, with smooth transitions between highlights and shadows. Even shots of the night sky and bright flames maintained impressive clarity, without the heavy noise that usually creeps into small sensor footage. The overall impression was less action cam and more compact filmmaking tool, suggesting that GoPro is aiming beyond its traditional niche. This shift could have major implications for how creators use these devices. Instead of being limited to mounting on helmets, handlebars, or surfboards, the next generation might be just as comfortable capturing travel vlogs, documentary-style clips, or even professional B-roll. Enhanced AI-driven stabilization, expected to evolve further, should also help smooth out handheld shots while preserving a natural motion feel. Combined with better battery efficiency, which rumors suggest could increase runtime significantly in certain modes, the camera could become a more reliable companion for long shooting days. Longer recording sessions, fewer overheating worries, and improved image quality all point to a device that's built for versatility rather than a single-purpose high voltage. Resolution and frame rate improvements are also part of the speculation. Some expect the possibility of 8K recording at moderate frame rates, while others believe ultra-smooth slow-motion options at higher resolutions will be the real highlight. Either way, the emphasis seems to be on giving creators more flexibility in post-production. Higher resolution footage allows for cropping, reframing, and stabilizing without sacrificing quality, which is especially valuable for action-oriented content. If these capabilities are paired with better color science and enhanced low-light performance, the camera could bridge the gap between rugged action gear and compact cinema tools. Pricing is another factor that's generating discussion. Considering the scale of the rumored upgrades, A modest increase over previous models wouldn't be surprising. If the camera lands slightly above the previous flagship's launch price, many users would likely see the jump as justified, especially if it delivers a substantial generational leap rather than incremental tweaks. After all, enthusiasts tend to invest in devices that significantly expand creative possibilities, and this upcoming release appears to aim precisely at that. Beyond a single camera, the broader 2026 lineup could reinforce GoPro's renewed ambition. There's talk of updated 360-degree solutions, potential vlogging-focused designs with flip screens, and even more premium compact devices aimed at filmmakers. This diversification suggests the company isn't just updating hardware, it's building a complete ecosystem designed to cover multiple styles of content creation. From immersive VR capture to cinematic storytelling and everyday vlogging, the goal seems to be giving creators a unified set of tools that share the same technological foundation. All of this contributes to a sense that GoPro is entering a fresh innovation cycle. After years of steady but incremental improvements, the upcoming generation feels like a reset, driven by a new processing core and a broader creative vision. If the teaser footage accurately reflects final performance, the next flagship could change how people perceive action cameras altogether. Instead of being seen purely as rugged companions for extreme sports, they may become versatile creative instruments capable of delivering polished, cinematic results in a compact form factor. That's an exciting prospect, especially for creators who value portability without sacrificing image quality clapperboard. For anyone who has been holding off on upgrading, this might be the moment worth waiting for. The combination of smarter AI, improved battery life, enhanced low-light capability, and potential resolution boosts suggests a meaningful step forward. Whether you're drawn to smoother stabilization, more cinematic visuals, or simply longer recording times, there's something here for nearly every type of user. As anticipation builds toward a likely mid-2026 launch window, the excitement across the community continues to grow. It feels like the kind of generational jump that doesn't come every year, and if expectations are met, it could redefine what we expect from a compact camera moving forward rocket.